No matter what my ability is, no matter what people say about me, I should not care. I'm going to dance. And that's one thing that no one can take away from me.
I asked myself that question for 4 years. Why me? What did I do to deserve this? Why am I sitting in this wheelchair? And as hard as it was, and trust me, it's really hard to live with a disability. But nothing in my life has been easy. Nothing. Especially anything worth having.
And all those years I wasted trying to fit in when I was born to stand out.
At Goodwill, why I go to work, why I get so excited and ignited every day, is the opportunity every day to make a profound difference in the life of somebody.
I've had a hell of a goddamn good life. This chair don't mean everybody's got a disability. The only difference between me and you is you see mine.
As a disabled employee, it doesn't really matter how you do things, and it doesn't really matter how you look. If you have a wheelchair or whatever, it matters what you do.